Right. Good evening, children. Today we have written mains model examination on September 19th, Nana. After completion of every mains model or advanced model examination, you need to write errors finding notes, Nana. Errors finding notes means we have to copy the solutions of the questions which you did mistake in the examination, and what are the questions you left in the examination. Copy those solutions. I will explain all the questions on the board, Nana. All of you look at that. See the question paper. Question number 26, Nana. The number of water molecules present in a drop of water volume is 0.0018 ml at room temperature. Here volume of water is given as 0.0018 ml. We know that the density of water is 1 gram per ml, Nana. From these two, we can calculate mass of water. Mass is equal to volume into density, Nana. 0.0018 grams, Nana. Here the question is what? What are molecules, Nana? Here mass is given, molecules, Nana. From mass to molecules relation. Mass to molecule relation, gram molecular weight to Avogadro number, Nana. This is the relation, Nana. From this relation, we can calculate number of molecules of water in this much amount of water, Nana. Gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, Nana. These many grams, 0.0018 grams contain how many molecules? 0.0018 by 18 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Simplify this, you get 6.02 into 10 to the power, here 10 to the power minus 4, 18 calculate, 10 to the power minus 4 means 10 to the power 19, minus 4 plus 23, plus 19 molecules. Okay. Next question number 27. Total number of gram molecules of SO2Cl2 in 13.5 grams of sulfuryl chloride. Here 13.5 grams sulfuryl chloride, SO2Cl2 given. Here identify gram molecular mass, gram molecular mass of SO2Cl2. 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 2 into 35.5. Here 32, 71, 5, 10, 13, 135. 135 grams, gram molecular mass. Here we have to calculate the number of gram molecules. Gram molecules, nothing but moles. Gram molecules or moles, both are same. Moles is equal to what? Given mass of the substance by gram molecular mass of the substance. Given mass 13.5 grams given, gram molecular mass 135 grams, then you get 0.1 mole or 0.1 gram molecule. Question number 28. How many gram molecules of methane are present in X grams of it, where X is equal to the weight of 1 gram molecule of SO2. X is equal to 1 gram molecule of SO2 nana. 1 gram molecule of SO2 means 1 mole of SO2 nana. 1 mole of SO2 how much? 32 plus 32 nana, 64. 1 into 32, 2 into 16. 32 plus 32, 64 grams nana. 1 gram molecule means 1 gram molecule of SO2 is 64 grams. So here how many gram molecules of methane nana? 16 grams of methane is equal to 1 gram molecule nana. 1 gram molecule, because methane gram molecular mass 16 grams nana. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 grams of methane is equal to 1 gram molecule. Here 64 grams of methane is equal to how many gram molecules? That is the question. Here if you simplify this, 64 by 16 into 1, you get 4 gram molecules. 4 gram molecules of methane. Question number 29. Here, which of the following contains same number of molecules? Here, same number of molecules. Here, see first option, 16 grams of O2 and 14 grams of N2. 16 grams of O2. Here, same number of molecules. Molecules question. Here, mass given molecules. Here, molecular mass of O2 is 32 grams of O2. Avogadro number of molecules. Avogadro number of molecules. Because gram molecular mass of oxygen 32, 32 grams contain Avogadro number of molecules. Here the question, 16 grams of O2 given. 16 grams of O2 contain how many? That is equal to 16 by 32 into Avogadro number. You get Na by 2. Avogadro number by 2 molecules. Similarly, nitrogen. 28 grams nitrogen contain Avogadro number of molecules. 14 grams of nitrogen contain how many molecules? So 14 by 28 into Avogadro number, you get Avogadro number by 2 molecules. Okay, now if you check the option B, 8 grams O2 and 22 grams CO2. 8 grams O2 contain Avogadro number by 4, because 32 by 8, sorry, 8 by 32, 8 by 32, 1 by 4. Here 22 grams of CO2, 22 by 44. Here Avogadro number by 2. These two are not equal. Similarly, in option C, 28 grams of N2 and 22 grams of CO2. 28 grams of N2 Avogadro number, 22 grams of O2 Avogadro number by 2. So these two are not equal. Similarly, option D, 32 grams of O2, 32 grams of N2. 32 grams of O2 contain Avogadro number of molecules. Okay, now here 32 grams of N2 contain 32 grams of N2 contain 8 into Avogadro number by 7. Means 28 grams contain Avogadro number, 32 grams contain how much? 32 by 28 into Avogadro number. You get 8 into Avogadro number by 7. These two are not equal. These two are not equal. These two are not equal. Here same number of molecules present in 16 grams of O2 and 14 grams of N2. Avogadro number by 2. Avogadro number by 2. Question number 30. Calculate the number of aluminum ions present in 0. Aluminum ions in Al2O3. Look at this. Al2O3. It consists of 2Al plus 3 and 3O minus 2. Here 1 mole, 1 molecule dissociated into 2 ions, 3 ions. 1 mole, 2 moles of aluminum ions, 3 moles of O2 ions. Here the question is 0.051 grams. Here 1 mole of Al2O3. 1 mole of Al2O3 means identify molecular mass Al2O3. 2 into 27 plus 3 into 16. 54, 48, 12, 9, 10. 102. 1 mole, nothing but 102 grams. 102 grams of Al2O3 contain 2 into Avogadro number of Al plus 3 ions. Look at this equation. 1 molecule dissociate into 2 Al plus 3. 1 mole dissociate into 2 moles. 1 mole is nothing but 1 mole in terms of mass, 102 grams. 102 grams Al2O3 contain 2 into Avogadro number of Al plus 3 ions. Here the question, 0.051 grams Al2O3 contain how many ions? Okay, na? Look at this cross multiplication here, 0.051 by 102 into 2 into here options in terms of yes, Avogadro number now 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Simplify this. If you simplify this here 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 Al plus 3 ions are present. Okay. Question number 31. The absolute mass of one molecule, yes. Absolute mass of one molecule is equal to 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. Absolute mass is given from molecular mass, one molecule mass. Then question is what is the substance? First identify molecular mass. Molecular mass is equal to what? Absolute mass. Absolute mass by AMU value. Then you get molecular mass. Look at this absolute mass 5.32 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. AMU value 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Grams cancel. Here, if you simplify this, you get 32 nana. Here the options are given nana. H2, N2, He, and O2. Here molecular masses nana. 2, 28, 4, 32. So it is a O2 substance. The question is, what is the substance? Substance could be molecular mass of substance. You get 32. Among all these, here oxygen has a molecular mass 32. Molecular mass, absolute mass by AMU, Avogadro value. If they ask gram molecular mass, gram molecular mass means absolute mass into Avogadro number. We discussed that in the class. Question number 32. The ratio of number of atoms present in 1 gram of hydrogen to number of molecules present in 2 grams of hydrogen. Here number of atoms in 1 gram hydrogen is to number of molecules in 2 grams H2. Here atoms in 1 gram, Avogadro number. Molecules in 2 grams, again Avogadro number. So here the ratio 1:1. 1 gram of hydrogen contain Avogadro number of atoms. 2 grams of hydrogen contain Avogadro number of molecules. 2 grams contain 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. But here the molecules. Molecules in 2 grams of hydrogen, Avogadro. Then the ratio 1:1. Largest number of molecules are present. Here, largest number of molecules. Look at this. Here, 34 grams of water, 28 grams of CO2, 46 grams of methyl alcohol, 54 grams of N2O5. These are the options given. 34. Here molecules. Molecules, mass to molecule relation. Here gram molecular mass is equal to Avogadro number. Gram molecular mass 18. 18 grams contain Avogadro number. 34 grams contain how much? Means you get 34 by 18 into Avogadro number. Here for this 28 by 44 into Avogadro number, because 28 grams given, gram molecular mass of CO2 44. Here 46 by gram molecular mass of methyl alcohol, 12 plus 16 plus 4, 12, 32 into Avogadro number. Gram molecular mass of methyl alcohol 32, given mass by gram molecular mass into Avogadro number. Here given mass 54, gram molecular mass N2O5 28, 80, 108 54 by 108 into Avogadro number. Check this, Nana. Check this. Here you get 1.88 into Na. Here 0.63 into Avogadro number. Here 1.43 into Avogadro number. Here 0.49 into Avogadro number. Here largest means here first case we have largest number of molecules. 34 grams of H2O contain 1.8 into Avogadro number of molecules. Is it clear? Next, question number 34 now. Vapor density is given, Nana. Vapor density is equal to 22. It cannot, Nana. It cannot be. Vapor density 44 means molecular weight is vapor density into 2, Nana. We discussed the relation. Molecular weight is equal to vapor density into 2. Vapor density is equal to molecular weight by 2. So here 44, Nana. Molecular mass is 44. Here are different options given, Nana. Look at this here. A, B, C, D. Carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, propane, Nana, C3H8, and methane, CH4. Here molecular mass 44, here molecular mass 44, here molecular mass 44. 12 plus 32, 44. 28 plus 16, 44. 12 3s are 36 plus 8, 44. CH4 16, 12 plus 4. So here it is not the compound. Methane is not the compound. Here vapor density is 22 means molecular mass 44. This substance may be CO2 or N2O or C3H8, carbon dioxide or nitrous oxide or propane. 35 ratio of molecules of oxygen and nitrogen, masses of oxygen and nitrogen 1:4. Ratio of number of molecules. Okay. Here mass ratio, mass ratio of oxygen and nitrogen is given, 1:4. Okay, you have to identify number of ratio of molecules, here mass value, mass value here 1 into x, here 4x, ratio 1:4. Then mass is equal to a mass of oxygen x, mass of nitrogen 4x, then molecules, molecules identify. O2 molecule mass 32, 32 grams contain Avogadro number of molecules. X grams contain how many molecules? X by 32 into Avogadro number, isn't it? Similarly, 28 grams 28 grams of nitrogen contain Avogadro number of molecules. 4x grams contain how many? 4x by 28 into Avogadro number regarding nitrogen. So molecules ratio nana, x by 32 into Avogadro number is to 4x by 28 into Avogadro number. Number of molecules of oxygen, number of molecules of nitrogen nana. So here x cancel, Avogadro number cancel. Here 4 7 times nana. Here 1 by 32 is to 1 by 7 nana. Then the ratio is 7 is to 32 nana. Okay na? Mass ratio nana 1 is to 4. Mass of oxygen 1x, mass of nitrogen 4x. 32 grams of oxygen, Avogadro number of molecules x grams, x into Avogadro number by 32. 28 grams of nitrogen, Avogadro number of molecules 4x grams, 4x by 28 into Avogadro number of molecules. Here the question is molecules ratio, x by 32 into Avogadro number, 4x by 28 into Avogadro number. X cancel, Avogadro number cancel, 4 7 times 28. Here 1 by 32 is to 1 by 7, you get 7 is to 32. Question number 36 now. The number of molecules present in 1 milliliter of the gas at STP. Here 22.4 liters of a gas at STP contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. At STP, at STP condition, 22.4 liters contain Avogadro number of molecules. Here, this is nothing but what? 22,400 ml. 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml, both are same. Here, 1 ml of the gas contain how many molecules? That is the question. Look at this. 1 ml of the gas, 1 milliliter, 1 ml of the gas at STP contain how many molecules? Look at this, 1 by 22,400 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Here this number is called, in the class notes, check it, Nana. This is called what? Law-Smith number, Nana. Law-Smith number. If you simplify this, you get 2.68 into 10 to the power 19 molecules. This number is called Law-Smith number. Law-Smith number means the molecules present in 1 ml of any gas at STP. That number is called Law-Smith number. 37, atomicity, Nana. Atomicity is given as X. Here, atomic weight is given as Y. Then molecular weight of element is equal to X into Y. Nana. Here, simple example, Nana. We can calculate P4. Nana. P4 molecular weight. You get 4 into 31. 4 into 31. 4 is atomicity. 31 is atomic mass. So here molecular mass is atomicity into atomic weight. Simple formula, X into Y is the molecular mass of the element, elementary molecule. Like P4, O3, S8, O3 triatomic molecule, P4 tetraatomic molecule, S8 octatomic molecule. 38, Nana. The weight of 5.6 liters of a gas at STP is 11 grams. The gas is here 5.6 liter of the gas weight is weight of 5.6 liters gas is equal to 11 grams. then weight of 22.4 liters gas nana is equal to how much? First identify this. You get 22.4 by 5.6 into 11 nana. Here 4 times 4 into 11, 44 grams nana. So molecular mass of the gas is 44. Here check the options nana. Here 4 options are given. Phosphine PH3, phosgene COCl2, nitric oxide NO, nitrous oxide N2O nana. Okay na, here molecular mass 31 plus 3 34. Here molecular mass 12 plus 16 plus 71 nana. How much? 70, 80, 90, 99. Nitric oxide 14 plus 16 30. Here 28 plus 16 44. So the gas should be nitrous oxide nana. Okay, now 5.6 liters mass, 11 grams, 22.4 liters. This is nothing but gram molar volume. Gram molar volume is equal to gram molecular mass. Among these, N2 has a gram molecular mass 44. Next, 39. Molecular weight of the gas is 44 grams, volume occupied by 2.2 grams. Here, molecular weight is 44. So, here 44 grams of gas occupies 22.4 liters. Here 2.2 grams occupy how much volume? Gram molecular mass is equal to gram molar volume. Nana. Just reverse of that relation. Gram molecular mass is equal to gram molar volume. 44 grams of substance is given. 44 grams occupy 22.4 liters. 2.2 grams occupy how many liters? 2.2 by 44 into 22.4. If you simplify this, you get 1.12 liters. Here, Avogadro number is not the number, Actually, Avogadro number is what? Check it. First option. Number of atoms in 1 gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight. Yes. It consists of Avogadro number of particles. Here, option B. Molecules in 1 gram molecular weight. That is also correct. Number of atoms in 0.012 kg of C12 isotope. 0.012 means here 12 grams only. 12 grams of C12 isotope contain Avogadro number of atoms only. 12 grams or 0.012 kg. Both are same, Nana. Here option D. 3.2 grams of oxygen, Nana. 3.2 grams of oxygen. Here it contain actually Avogadro number by 10 nana. So it is not the Avogadro number. 3.2 grams of oxygen contain Avogadro number of molecules by 10 because 32 grams contain Avogadro number nana because molecular mass of oxygen is 32. 32 grams contain Avogadro number of molecules, Avogadro number of particles. Here 3.2 Avogadro number by 10. So it is not the Avogadro number. Option 4 nana. .5 moles of phosphorus pentoxide, P4O10, does not contain, does not contain. Actually, here 1 mole, for example, here 1 mole P4O10 contain. Here, look at this. 160 grams oxygen, 4 gram atoms of phosphorus. 10 gram atoms of oxygen. Significance, quantitative significance. P4 means 4 gram atoms. 1 mole consists of 4 gram atoms of phosphorus, 10 gram atoms of oxygen. 10 gram atoms means 10 into 16, 160 grams of oxygen. Okay, now this is regarding 1 mole. Here 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles means 0.5 moles. 80 grams oxygen, 2 gram atoms phosphorus, 5 gram atoms oxygen. 1 mole, 0.5 mole, half, 160 half, 80, 4, 2, 4 half, 2, 10 half, 5. Look at the fourth option, 10 gram atoms of oxygen. Here 10 gram atoms of oxygen. This is a false statement regarding 0.5 moles. 10 gram atoms of oxygen is true for 1 mole phosphorus pentoxide, not for 0.5 mole. So option D is a false statement. Relative atomic mass, relative atomic weight of oxygen is 64. Similarly, relative atomic mass of carbon is how much? From this assumption, actually relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16 is considered as a 64. Actual atomic mass, relative atomic mass of carbon is 12. 16 is considered as 64. 12 is considered as how much? 48. Means 4 times, 16 4 times 48. 12 4 times 48. The question is molecular weight of carbon monoxide 48 plus 64. Molecular mass, atomic mass of carbon plus atomic mass of oxygen. Atomic mass of carbon 48, atomic mass of oxygen 64. Then you get 112. This is related to molecular mass of carbon monoxide. Just assumption, just assumption. It is not exact, accurate value. Actual value of relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16 only. Just assumption, it is considered as a 64. Then what happened to the molecular mass? 16 is considered as 64. 12 is considered as 48. 64 plus 48, 112. Question number 43. Element A, B contain combined together 2 compounds. Here element atomic mass, atomic weight is considered as X. B atomic mass considered as Y. Okay, na? These two combined together to form 2 compounds. A2B3 and AB2. 2 compounds are given. Okay. Now here 1 mole of A2B3 is equal to atomic weight of A X, atomic weight of B is Y. Then 1 mole of A2B3 is 2X plus 3Y. Because 2 into atomic mass X, 3 into atomic mass Y. Okay, na? Next, similarly, 1 mole AB2 mass is equal to how much? X plus 2Y. A atomic mass X, B atomic mass Y, 2 into Y. Okay, na? Now, see the question A2B3, 0.2 moles. 0.2 moles of A2B3 is equal to what? 0.2 into 2x plus 3y. 1 mole mass this much. 0.2 moles mass, 0.2 into 2x plus 3y. Here 0.2 into 2x plus 3y value given as 26 grams. Look at the question. 0.2 moles of A2B3 mass, 26 grams. Similarly, here 0.3 moles AB2 is equal to 0.3 into x plus 2y. Okay, na? 0.3 into x plus 2y value given as 24 grams. From this, 2x plus 3y is equal to 26 by 0.2. X plus 2y is equal to 24 by 0.3. Means 0. Come to RHS. 0.3 come to RHS. Here the value, Nana. This is equal to 130. Here this is equal to 160. 26 by 0.2, 130. 26 by 0.3, 160. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. 2x plus 3y is equal to 130. X plus 2y is equal to 160. If you simplify these algebraic equations, how can we simplify this? Look at this. 2 into equation 2 into 2 minus equation 1. Nana. Equation 2 into 2. Total equation multiplied with 2 minus first equation. Nana. What is that? 2x plus 4y is equal to 320. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 2y, 4y, 2 into 160, 320. Nana. Minus first equation 2x minus plus 3y is equal to 130. Minus, minus, minus. Nana. Here 2x cancel. One minute, Nana. Here 24 by 0.3. Here the value is 80. Nana. This is 80 only. Now 2 into equation 2, 160. Nana. Okay, here minus 2x minus 3y minus 130. 2x, 2x cancel here. Y is equal to 160 minus 30. 130. Y is equal to 30. Next, from equation 1, here 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 130. Here 2x plus 3 into y value 30 is equal to 130. So 2x is equal to 130 minus 90. 130 minus 90, 40. Then x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. A atomic mass 20, B atomic mass 30. Look at the option C. Is it clear? (44) Nana. Here 1 gram of hydrogen contain 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Then 4 grams of helium contain again Avogadro number of atoms. Nana. Why? What is the reason? Here 1 gram is nothing but 1 mole or 1 gram atom. 4 grams of helium is again 1 gram of atom. 1 gram atom. 1 gram atom of helium, 1 gram atom of hydrogen. So 1 gram atom of any element contain Avogadro number of atoms. 40 grams of calcium, Avogadro number of atoms. 20 grams of neon, Avogadro number of atoms. Is it clear? 1 gram atom of any element contain Avogadro number of atoms. Next, 45. Here vapor density is given as 11.2. Then molecular weight is equal to 22.4. Vapor density is equal to 11.2. Molecular weight is equal to vapor density into 2. So here 22.4 grams of gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. Then 11.2 grams of gas at STP occupies 11.2 liters. 11.2 liters only. Vapor density is given, then molecular mass 2 into vapor density. Gram molecular mass is equal to gram molar volume. 22.5 grams, 22.4 liters. Here the question, 11.2 grams of gas occupies how much volume? 11.2 grams, 11.2 liters. Next, integer type, 46th one. Molecular mass of triatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule. Molecular weight is given as 48. Here we already discussed. Molecular weight is equal to atomicity into atomic weight. Molecular weight is 48. Atomicity is 3. Then atomic weight is equal to 48 by 3. Okay, na atomicity value 3. Atomic weight is equal to 48 by atomicity here 16. This is given as 8x in the question. 16 is equal to 8x. Then x is equal to how much? 2. Okay, na triatomic molecule, elementary molecule, just like P4, O3, like that. Here, I think this is what molecular mass 48 triatomic molecule means. O3 molecule. Atomicity 3, atomic mass 16. 16 3s are 48. Atomic mass is 16. That is given in the question as 8x. 8x is equal to 16. X is equal to 2. (47) mass of 0.1 mole of urea, NH2CO and H2 urea. Here 1 mole urea mass is equal to 60 grams. Okay, nitrogen 2, 28, oxygen 16, carbon 12, 4 oxygen atoms. Here 10 plus 10, 20, 2, 3, 4, 6, 16. 1 mole mass 60 grams. Here the question 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole urea mass is equal to 6 grams. A ratio of molecules, 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen is to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Molecules of hydrogen means 2 grams. Avogadro number of molecules mass 2 grams. Avogadro number of atoms mass 1 gram. 2:1 is nothing but 2 by 1. 2. 2:1 means 2 by 1, 2. Integer question. Next, 49. Number of gram molecules of hydrogen in 1 gram molecule of H2O. 1 gram molecule of H2O means 18 grams. Gram molecular mass of oxygen, water molecule 18. In 18, 16 grams oxygen, 2 grams hydrogen. Okay, now. So here 2 grams of hydrogen is how many gram molecules? 2 grams of hydrogen is 1 gram molecule only. 1 gram molecule. Did you get the point, Nana? number of gram molecules of hydrogen. We have to identify number of gram molecules or number of moles in 1 gram molecule of H2O. 1 gram molecule of H2O or 1 mole of H2O contain 18 grams. Among the 18 grams, 16 grams oxygen, 2 grams hydrogen. 2 grams of hydrogen is 1 gram molecule of hydrogen or 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay, integer value 1. The last one, question number 50. Here 100 atoms of helium mass nana is equal to here 4 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 100 nana. Okay, this is mass of one atom of helium nana. One atom of helium 4 AMU, 4 into AMU value, Avogadro value 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 100 atoms means into 100. If you simplify this, you get here 0.664 into 10 to the power minus 21 grams. 0.664 into 10 to the power minus 21. This is given as 0.664 into 10 to the power minus 7y. Okay, just compare these two. Nana. Compare these two. Here minus 7y is equal to minus 21. Nana. Minus minus cancel. Here y is equal to 21 by 7. You get 3. Integer value 3. Okay, now 100 atoms mass. 1 atom mass 4 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 100 atoms into 100. Then the value is 0.664 into 10 to the power minus 21 grams. In the question, that is given as 0.664 into 10 to the power minus 7y. Compare these two values. Minus 7y is equal to minus 21. Then y is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. All of you copy errors notes, Nana. Thank you.